Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best contact grills available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Cuisinart Contact Grill. It comes with 5 separate cooking options. The Cuisinart Griddler can handle everything from pancakes and sausages. It is to grill cheese to steaks, hamburgers and panini. It has a floating cover and one set of reversible plates turn the griddler into a contact grill panini. Its dual temperature controls ensure everything is perfectly cooked every time on the removable dishwasher-safe non-stick cooking plates. The sturdy panini-style handle with hinged floating cover helps you make the perfect panini. You can use your grill in the closed position to cook everything from chicken and hamburgers to juicy steaks. It comes with 5 different cooking options and reversible griddle plates. You can easily cook an entire meal. At number 5 we have Gevi Contact Grill. The contact grill makes it easy to create quick weeknight meals the whole family will love. The drip tray and grill plates are removable and dishwasher safe for simplified cleanup. The 2-in-1 Gevi indoor electric grill has 2 cooking plates, a griddle on one side and a grill on the other. It can be used as a contact grill with smart function or be used as a simple electric griddle in 180 degrees open flat. The griddle has a large grilling surface and can meet your family's needs. You can cook different kinds of food on different cooking plates with different forms of use. The Gevi smokeless electric grill is equipped with the non-stick plates and drip tray, which are removable for easy dishwasher-safe cleaning. At number 4 we have Cuisinart Contact Grill. Its floating cover and reversible plates are easily removable, transforming the Griddler 5 from grill to griddle. That's making it an indispensable partner in the kitchen. The arms are made of die-cast aluminum and will become hot during use. The cover is made of stainless steel and will become very hot and should not be touched during or immediately following cooking. At number 3 we have DeLonghi Contact Grill. For home cooks looking to maximize counter space while still being able to flex their cooking chops in the kitchen, the DeLonghi Levensa all-day grill comes with flex press system is the perfect appliance. This unique grill features interchangeable sets of high-performance grill and griddle plates to help you cook efficiently and healthy. The Levensa all-day grill includes embedded heating elements which prevent hot spots for a more even cooking process, as well as an integrated drip tray for healthier grilling. The hanging self-adjustable hinge with cool touch handles offers you many different choices for cooking, also including the perfect press without too much pressure when in the contact setting. At number 2 we have Cuisinart Contact Grill. The Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe takes grilling to new heights. It offers 6 enticing cooking options. The reversible grill and griddle plates combined with dual zone temperature control. That's give home chefs complete control. This grill is perfect for making pancakes and eggs for breakfast, panini and open-faced sandwiches for lunch, and burgers or fajitas for dinner. The extra large grilling surface is ideal for entertaining a crowd or making family meals. The new Sear Blast feature locks in the flavor of steaks. It comes with dishwasher-safe accessories. An elegant new look and 1800 watts of power. Deluxe is an understatement. At number 1 we have Kalorik Contact Grill. Kalorik 6-in-1 Contact Grill and Panini Press features dishwasher-safe cooking plates and drip tray. That's making for quick and easy cleanup. This upper and lower cooking plates feature independent temperature control ranging from 195 F to 480 F. This allows you to adjust each zone to your liking, while giving you the ability to cook a variety of foods at once. It has 12 extend plates open flat to maximize cooking surface area. The Kalorik Pro 6-in-1 Contact Grill and Panini Press offers 6 cooking modes, including Contact Grill, Panini Press, Full Griddle, Full Barbecue Grill, Half Grill/Half Griddle and Top Melt. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best contact grills for your need.